Hello, my friends. Welcome to English Spark, your best place to learn English in a simple and powerful way. Today, we are going to learn English through an emotional and meaningful story. This story is about a young woman named Emma. She made a small decision, but it changed her entire future when she understood what she lost. It was already too late. Do you want to know what happened to her? Stay with me until the end. This story will help you think in English and improve your listening skills. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Try to understand every sentence. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Just relax and enjoy the story. My name is Emma Cole, and this is the story about a message I never answered. I am 23 years old. I live in a busy city. My life is always fast. Work, calls, messages, deadlines. I never stop. I work in marketing. My phone is always in my hand, even at night. I have many notifications, but I almost never reply to all of them. Later, I always say. One evening, I sit in my room. I feel tired, but I keep scrolling on my phone. New videos, new messages. Time passes quickly. Then I see a message. Unknown number. Hi, Emma. It's me. I need to talk to you. I look at it for a second. Then I lock my phone. I'll answer later. The next day, I forget about the message. Work is busy. My boss is angry. I have many tasks. I do not check that message again. Days pass. 1 week later, I see the message again, still unread. I open it. Emma, please answer. It's important. My heart feels strange. Who is this? I type, who is this? No answer. I feel uncomfortable. Then I see another message below. It's Daniel. My hands freeze. Daniel? I know that name. He was my best friend years ago. We stopped talking, no reason, just life. I sit in silence. Why is he writing now? I feel something heavy inside me. But again, I close the chat. I will answer later. That night, I cannot sleep. I keep thinking about Daniel, our memories, our laughs, our conversations. Why now? The next morning, I wake up and check my phone. There is a new message, but it is not from Daniel. It is from another number. Are you Emma? My heart starts beating fast. Yes. Who is this? I reply. A few seconds later, I am Daniel's sister. Everything goes silent. I sit up in my bed. What happened? I type quickly. There is a pause. Then she replies, Daniel passed away yesterday. I stop breathing. My phone falls from my hand. No, this is not real. I pick up my phone again. My hands are shaking. What? What do you mean? She writes. He was in the hospital. He tried to contact you. My heart breaks. I open Daniel's chat. I scroll up. So many messages. So many times he wrote, please answer. I need to talk to you. I miss you. Tears fall from my eyes. I whisper, I'm sorry. But it is too late. I call the number. No answer. I sit there for hours looking at the screen, at the message I never answered. Days pass, but I cannot forget. I replay everything in my mind. Every moment, every message. I had time. I had a chance. But I chose to scroll, to wait, to ignore. One day, I open my phone again. Hundreds of messages, notifications, but now they mean nothing. I realize something important. Time is not endless, people are not always there, and later sometimes never comes. I close all my apps. For the first time, I call someone I care about. I say, hey, I just wanted to hear your voice. Because now I know some messages should never wait. Sometimes we think we have time, but life can change in a second. Do not wait too long. Do not ignore people who care about you. Thank you for watching English Spark. Repeat this story and practice your English. And remember, every moment matters. See you in the next video.